Hey everyone, welcome to English Fluency Tips, your go-to channel for mastering English fluency. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. It's a sunny day in the park, and I'm sitting on a bench, soaking in the beautiful weather. The sound of laughter catches my attention. Two friends are nearby, chatting and enjoying each other's company. Their laughter is contagious, and I can't help but smile. I listen carefully to their conversation. They are speaking English, and I notice how easily the words flow. "It's a beautiful day," one friend exclaims. I nod in agreement, feeling the warmth of the sun on my face. But then I realize I don't understand every word they say. My heart races a little. I remind myself, it's okay, I'm learning. I catch phrases like, "I love reading books and it makes me curious." Then one friend says, "I am reading a book right now." I feel a little confusion, but also excitement. I repeat the sentence in my mind, "I am reading a book right now." I want to understand. Suddenly, a playful dog runs by and I laugh out loud. That joyful moment reminds me of how important it is to enjoy learning. It's funny how small things can bring so much happiness. After a while, I decide to grab a coffee. As I walk into the coffee shop, I feel a little nervous. What if I mess up my order? But I take a deep breath and say, "One coffee, please." The barista smiles and asks, "Would you like milk with that?" I nod, feeling a rush of confidence. While I wait for my coffee, I look around. The shop is cozy, filled with people chatting and enjoying their drinks. I notice a group of friends at a table. They are talking loudly, laughing, and sharing stories. I can see they are having a great time, and I wish I could join in. The barista hands me my coffee, and I say, "Thank you." I take my drink and find a quiet corner by the window. Sitting down with my coffee, I notice a man reading a book. He looks so focused and content. I think to myself, I want to read like him one day. I feel a spark of determination igniting in me. I take a sip of my coffee, letting the warm liquid comfort me. As I watch people come and go, I think about how learning English can open up new opportunities. Maybe one day, I will be able to have conversations just like the friends in the park or the group in the coffee shop. After finishing my coffee, I decide to take a walk. I stroll through the park, feeling the cool breeze on my skin. I see a small child flying a kite. The colorful kite dances in the sky, and I can't help but feel a sense of joy. I approach the child and say, "Your kite is beautiful." The child beams with pride and responds, "Thank you. I love flying kites." I smile and think about how easy it is to connect with people when we share our experiences. As I continue my walk, I come across a bookshop. The sign outside reads, "All books 50% off today." My eyes widen with excitement. I step inside and inhale the scent of new books. It feels like stepping into another world. I browse through the shelves, picking up a book titled Easy English Stories. I flip through the pages, and the stories seem fun and engaging. I think to myself, this could be a great way to improve my reading skills. I take the book to the counter and say, "I would like to buy this, please." The cashier smiles and says, "Great choice. That book is very popular." After leaving the bookshop, I feel accomplished. I now have a new tool to help me on my journey to fluency. As I walk home, I think about how every small interaction helps me grow. Every word I hear, every sentence I say brings me closer to my goal. Once I get home, I settle down with my new book. I open it up and start reading the first story. The sentences are simple, and I feel a sense of achievement as I understand most of the words. I read aloud to practice my pronunciation. The cat sat on the mat. I stop for a moment, thinking about how practicing aloud helps me feel more confident. I say it again, this time with more expression. The cat sat on the mat. It feels good to speak out loud, to let the words flow. As I continue reading, I come across a sentence that's a bit tricky. The dog chased the ball. I pause and repeat it slowly. The dog chased the ball. I focus on each word, feeling the rhythm of the sentence. After finishing the story, I put the book down and reflect on my day. I realize how much I've learned just from simple moments, listening to friends, ordering coffee, and reading a book. Each experience teaches me something new. I think about you, my viewers, and how we are all on this journey together. It's important to remember that learning takes time, and it's okay to make mistakes. The key is to keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep exploring. Now let's think about some basic grammar points from today's experiences. For example, when I say I am reading, I am using the present continuous tense. It shows that I am doing something right now. This tense is important for describing actions happening in the present. Another example is when I say, I love flying kites. This is a simple present tense. It shows a general truth or something I enjoy. Simple present tense is often used to talk about habits and preferences. As I sit in the coffee shop, I notice phrases like, I want to order a coffee. This is a simple structure using want plus an action. It helps express desires. Let's also look at prepositions. When I say I am sitting on a bench, the word on shows the position of where I am. Prepositions like in, on, and at are useful in everyday conversations. Now, think about how you can use these structures in your own sentences. For instance, you might say, I am learning English every day. Or, I like to read books in the evening. Practice using these sentences aloud. It will help you feel more comfortable and confident. As I reflect on my day, I feel grateful for the small moments that make learning fun. I remember how the child flying the kite smiled when I complimented them. It's amazing how a few kind words can create connections. Think about your own experiences. Have you ever talked to someone new? How did it feel? Sharing moments like these helps us grow. Learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about connecting with others. As I close my book for the night, I feel a sense of accomplishment. I have practiced speaking, listening, and reading today. Each little step counts. I'm excited to continue this journey with you. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, every small step counts, and I'm here to support you on your path to fluency. Let's keep learning together, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.